Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a real simple repair I wanted to share with you. This is a Marx car, obviously, Marx plastic couplers. And on these cars, as you see, the coupler passes through a slot. And on many of these, this bottom piece gets broken off. And that slot, of course, is to support the coupler. And it's just a flange that's been melted over to hold the coupler. And what happens is this gets broken off and the coupler will sag, and it'll actually fall really low on the coupler in front of it. A couple bumps, it'll uncouple. So a really simple fix for this is just to use a piece of bell wire, as you see. And this is just a piece of wire, solid steel bell wire, and you just stretch it across, bend it to get the angles correct, and then just put a drop of epoxy in the corners to hold it, and that keeps the coupler at the right height and keeps it from uncoupling. A really simple fix. It doesn't look bad. In fact, it's virtually invisible on the track, but it's a really simple way to do this. Now, I originally repaired these with a toothpick, a wooden toothpick going across, but it just depends on what you have left on the ends here where that piece is broken off. If it's high enough, it gives you something to epoxy to, great. In this case, it was broken off flush, so there was no way to put anything straight across it. So I just stretched this piece of wire across it and epoxied it on the edges. But it supports the coupler, so it does exactly the same thing on that end. And like I said, when it's on the rail, it's virtually invisible. You don't see it. But it does help, and it keeps the coupler from coming uncoupled. And I just put a bit of candle wax on it to make sure it slides nice and easy. So I just want to do a quick video on this. It's a really simple way to do this repair. So if you find one of these things that's broken and the coupler is sagging, just put a piece of wire across it and epoxy it in position. It works really well. It's virtually instant. It'll last forever. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.